Hello, everybody. I'm Rudrani, and welcome to the red carpet of Filmfare OTT Awards 2025. She is spunky, she's adorable, and she's so talented. Alaya F is here, and we are so excited. Thank you for doing this.
Thank you, Rudrani.
I'll have to repeat that again. How exquisite do you look? Do you want to tell the idea of bringing this old world 60-50 charm back to the red carpet?
See, honestly, I actually love anything that's classic. Something that feels classic, but then we make it edgy. We add on ear cuffs. We do all these fun things. I feel like that's actually the middle point of my style. So I really enjoy this. I'm loving the look.
We love it too, and I must say, Alaya, you've done some interesting work on OTT. You got to experiment completely here. You feel like OTT gives that power to actors to not to worry about anything else and just do something in crazy even. Your comments on that?
No, 100%. Honestly, if you have to ask me, I'm far more a show watcher than I am a film watcher. Honestly, if I have to be completely honest. So I love shows. I feel like OTT has really raised the bar for content, not only in India but worldwide in general. I feel like it's allowed people to take a lot more risks and just create some art. And yeah, I think it's inspired some fantastic performances and it's inspired me for sure. And I hope to do some fantastic work and be inspired by all the amazing people that are nominated and that win tonight.
Okay, let's go. Some more fun questions. Alaya, what is few shows that you'd like to recommend that you watched, and also performances that you'd like?
So, shows that I've watched, we're talking about Indian shows, no? I really enjoyed Black Warrant. Movies wise, I really enjoyed Control. I've realized that there's a theme going on here. It's Vikram sir. I also really liked Mrs. I thought that was a great movie. And yeah, I think that's my list for this year. But otherwise, generally, other than that, I think I've been binge watching like old shows. Like I've been watching Gilmore Girls again and Friends for like the 100th time and Schitt's Creek, and just then I'm boring. I have no good names.
Shows that uplift your spirit. And just amazing shows. I agree. We do the same. Okay, misconception about actors that you'd like to break here.
Misconception. What is the misconception about actors? Do you have any recommendations? What is the misconception about actors?
Like some of them are telling like a lot of female actors, they assume that if you're an actor, you're dumb, which is for some.
Yeah, but that only dumb people think that. I mean, like, that's a little silly now. I'm not even going to bust that myth because you must be silly if you even entertain that myth.
Like how that's mean.
Yeah.
But there are a lot of other things. Like they assume that actors are always living this absolutely gorgeous life.
Yeah, which is not at all. I think in general that what you see on screen or what you see on a red carpet is how it always is. I can't tell you how I was looking before I got into hair, makeup and styling today. It was not fun. But you have a team of wonderful, brilliant, kind, wonderful, talented people that put you together and make you look great and feel great and show up at these wonderful places. So yeah, it takes a village. Yeah.
Okay. In your this journey, what is one thing that you've learned that you've kept and you want to carry on that quality of feeling for years now?
One thing that I've learned that I've kept is, I mean, it's a learning that I've had this year, and it's that I don't have to do anything I don't want to do, and that I can do anything I want to do. This is actually my learning of 2025. You can do anything you want to do, and you don't have to do anything you don't want to do. I love that. Yeah.
Okay. Have you ever stolen something from a set as a remembrance? What would that be and why?
Not stolen, but I have taken like little pieces, sometimes of jewelry, sometimes like a top. I actually wish that I had taken one item of clothing from each film that I was on, but I didn't. And now it's a little too late to start. So that's a bummer, but I wish I had done that. Yeah.
The last one is, Alaya, if you had to choose an OTT character that you'd have loved to do from the recent one that you've seen, which one would it be and why? Indian shows would be great.
I don't know. I was thinking about this question because I had a feeling that someone was going to ask me this today. So I was thinking about it in the car, but sadly I have no answer. I was racking my brain over this in the car.
Anything that you saw a role that you'd have loved to do?
I mean, see, I thought Mrs. was fantastic. I mean, I feel like that's a role that any female actor. I saw The Great Indian Kitchen as well, which is what it's the remake of, and I just loved both. So, I mean, it's a dream for anyone to be able to play a role like that in a film like that. I just think it's It's a fantastic role and a fantastic film. Yeah.
So nuanced, so amazing. Alaya, have a wonderful night ahead, and we are always cheering for you. Thank you so much. Filmfare OTT. You all had such a fantastic film. Not just one. You've been done couple of films that have given you so much love. As an actor, there were no boundaries that you couldn't explore. It kind of makes you feel limitless, isn't it? When you don't have to follow any set rule and all of that. So
Yeah, I mean, I started with OTT with my first web show. Kho Gaye Hum Kahan, Gehraiyan, two of my favorite films of mine have been like OTT success. Last year, I think Arjun Viren Singh and Ananya won the OTT Filmfare Awards. And yeah, so OTT has been like actually the birth of me. So it's always been special. And Filmfare, of course. I mean, the brand itself. We've grown up. I just recently performed at the Filmfare. That was my first performance ever. So thank you. Thank you.
parents were so proud.
Yeah, it was a proud moment. So yeah, I mean, it's always special to be here and celebrate the OTT awards.
We'll have to talk about Dharak too, of course. Whenever I get a chance, I always bring it up because it's been such a nuanced, layered performance with such sensitivity. I want you to tell me about the significance and the value that it holds to get a role like this.
Firstly, I think I'm very fortunate at an early age to get a role like this. Um, and it actually, as an actor, I feel that I grew somewhere, and that's always been the motive to choose anything which makes me grow, which adds to my filmography, at the same time adds to the human growth and the depth, which is something which I always seek. And yeah, so it's been a very special film, very special year. I'm still getting the love, after it released on Netflix OTT. So yeah, I mean, I'm just proud of the film, and hopefully I get more projects like that where I can explore the depths and the different atrocities or different things that keep happening in the society. And as actors and artists, I feel it's our responsibility in a way to kind of try to improve or try to make the society a little aware as a responsibility. So yeah, I would, fingers crossed, if I get things like that more.
But you are doing some incredible roles. Are there ones that you can talk about?
Well, the next one is I'm not gonna. I'm promoting my film. My next film is Do Dewane Seher Mein. Not Sheher Mein, Seher Mein, and you'll know why. It's Mrunal and me. Bansali sir is producing. Ravi Udaya was directing it. So I'm very excited. Very soft rom-com. So it's coming on the 20th of Feb. So I'm excited. I'm gonna be seeing you soon, and we'll be chatting.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, and we're always cheering for you, Siddhant. Thank you so much. Just been a part of Big Boss 19. Abhishek, hello. It's always wonderful to meet you. मुझे tell me how has it been? निकलने के बाद इतना प्यार, फिर आप लोग सब मिल रहे हैं, हमें मौका मिल रहा है कि आप सबको डांस करते हुए देखने के लिए. अभिनूर फैंस को बहुत सारे खुशियाँ मिल रही है.
हाँ, बिल्कुल उनको अच्छा लग रहा है, and when they see us they feel happy, they are happy about it, and we are also happy about it.
And tell me how was it being शो के बाहर निकल के एक दूसरे को थोड़ा समझना, जिनके साथ थोड़े गिले शिकवे हैं वो भी थोड़ा बातचीत करके सुलझाना, चाहे वो प्रणीत हो या माल हो, एक अच्छा माहौल दिखता है जब आप लोग मिल रहे थे इस टाइम.
टू बी ऑनेस्ट, आप घर में एक दूसरे को समझ रहे होते हो, जब आप घर से बाहर आते हो आप किसी को समझने की कोशिश नहीं करते हो. यू जस्ट लेट गो थिंग्स एंड यू जस्ट मूव ऑन टू योर लाइफ.
So you all have moved on to life and now you all are okay with each other, ना?
Of course. इतना आप ग्रजेस लेके नहीं चलने चाहिए कभी भी.
And I think you've also been someone who's focused on your individual journey. तो इतना सारा जो प्यार मिल रहा है, क्या आपको लगता है कि इससे ये भी खुलता है ना, people also recognize that to give you more opportunities as actors. You think that's going to translate into that?
Hopefully, I hope the same. And I have always been working as an actor, and I'm looking forward to that only. And people have loved me, and people are acknowledging me more. And they have started watching my last films also. वो पुरानी फिल्म जा जाके मेरी देख रहे हैं, and it's trending again. So yeah, it's very nice to see.
अभिषेक, इतना प्यार क्यों दिखता भी इसलिए है क्योंकि आपके छोटे छोटे जो बातें होती है वो लोग पॉइंट आउट करते हैं कि देखो कैसे रिस्पेक्टफुल है अशनूर की तरफ, या किसी को आप जैसे आप सलमान सर आपके माता से मिले. आई थिंक फैंस ये सब नोटिस भी करते हैं. इट ऑल्सो शोज एज अ पर्सन हु यू आर. योर कमेंट्स ऑन दैट?
True. When people see the honesty and when people see how respectful the person is, क्योंकि situation shows how the person is, truly is, तो उन्हें अच्छा लगता है, and they feel connected, and that's how I have been brought up. So yeah.
Okay, some fun questions. Abhishek, आप ready हो? इस आपका फेवरेट शो कौन सा था? शो
on OTT? Rana Naidu and Farsi. Yeah. राना नायडू में सारे इमोशंस थे, एक फैमिली ड्रामा था, फादर एंड सन का एक इक्वेशन था, एंड वायलेंस था, रोमांस था, इट हैड एवरीथिंग. कहीं ना कहीं वो अल्फा मेल था. एंड फर्जी ऑफ कोर्स शाहिद था, एंड राज एंड डीके ने उसे डायरेक्ट किया था. इट वाज शॉट ब्यूटीफुली एंड बहुत ही अलग तरीके का पूरा उसका जो वाइब था, बहुत अच्छा था. आई रियली एंजॉयड दैट.
अभिषेक, आपके अकॉर्डिंग सबसे अंडररेटेड एक्टर कौन है जिससे और प्यार मिलना चाहिए?
जिससे और प्यार मिलना चाहिए, रणदीप हुडा. या इज अ फैंटास्टिक एक्टर. वो अपनी जान लगा देते हैं कोई भी रोल करते हैं, तो आई थिंक उन्हें और प्यार मिलना चाहिए.
आपको एक अजीब सी फनी सी ऑडिशन याद है जो आपने दिया हो कोई, और वियर्ड होना चाहिए?
जितने भी ऑडिशन मैंने पहले दिया मुझे अब फनी लगते हैं सारे. नहीं, जितने भी हैं सारे, अब पिछले आप जितने भी ऑडिशन देखते हो फनी लगते हैं, तो ऐसे बहुत सारे हैं पहले के जो मुझे फनी लगते हैं.
एक्टर्स के बारे में, आप खुद के बारे में अगर कोई मिसकंसेप्शन है जिसे आज आप तोड़ना चाहते हैं, वो क्या होगा?
मिसकंसेप्शन, अरे पालो जिसको मिसकंसेप्शन पालनी है पालो, कोई कुछ नहीं तोड़ना, अच्छी बात है, रखो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है मुझे. आई डोंट सीक पीपल्स वैलिडेशन.
ओके, अ रूमर अबाउट योर सेल्फ दैट मेक्स यू लाफ. एक ऐसी रूमर जो बहुत ही फनी थी आपके अकॉर्डिंगली.
ऐसी रूमर फनी ऐसी ऐसा कोई नहीं है.
जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल बहुत सारे एक्टर्स के होते हैं कि इसकी जो वैल्यूएशन है 50 करोड़ की है, सो लॉट ऑफ एक्टर्स फाइंड इट फनी.
अच्छा, मैंने ऐसे एक्चुअली मैंने कभी सर्च किया नहीं है सब. नहीं किया. नहीं.
बोलने वाली थी, लास्ट टाइम जब खुद को गूगल सर्च किया तो क्या दिखा?
मैंने गूगल जब सर्च किया तो मैं ट्रेंडिंग पे दिखा.
और कितने दिनों तक दिख रहे थे आप ट्रेंडिंग में?
मैं हर रोज ट्रेंड कर रहा हूँ, मतलब अभी कहीं ना कहीं तरीके से. या
जो नए एक्टर्स हैं अभिषेक, जो अब इस फील्ड में आना चाहते हैं, आपकी तरह वो भी कुछ बनना चाहते हैं, उनको आप एक लाइन में क्या एडवाइस देंगे?
honesty is the best policy and be disciplined. That's how you're gonna achieve your success.
जाते जाते फैंस के लिए मुझे ये पूछना है आपसे कि अगर अभिषेक का लाइफ पार्टनर हो, उनमें ऐसी कैसी क्वालिटीज होनी चाहिए? हाउ कैन समवन विन योर हार्ट?
Loyalty, and she should be pretty also.
आई लव इट. थैंक यू सो मच अभिषेक. बहुत 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 शुक्रिया. थैंक यू.